Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today I have a little bit of an unboxing to do, and then we are going to set up my business binder for my YouTube channel and my Etsy shop. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and we're going to get into it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off with this big Amazon package right here. I kind of already opened it up just to get this ugly thing out of the way, being the package it came in. So I'm excited for this. This is my new business binder. I kind of wanted something a little bit different than what I had, and I went for this like faux leather. It's like a light blue binder, and it actually looks like it's coming with a decent amount of stuff in it. I probably won't use this. Oh, look, it comes with cute little budget sheets. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, it actually comes with like stickers. This would be great for someone who's kind of just starting out. I'll make sure I link it down below in the description for y'all, but it's got all sorts of little stickers that you could put on your envelopes. I have so many of these envelopes. We're just gonna move all this to the side. I'm gonna take this off and we'll move this to the side because I won't be using these. But isn't it cute? Oh look, it's got little pockets over here. You could probably put cards or whatever in this. Super cute. Okay, so let's push this to the side for a second. And now the main event. So y'all know my envelopes and I love them. They are from Caffeine and Budgets on Etsy, and as always, her shop is listed down below. I love her envelopes, y'all, and I am a very, I like things to be matchy-matchy. I don't like getting a bunch of different envelopes. I want everything to kind of have a cohesive feel. Oh, look, these are the little extras. She always sends little extra. It looks like there's a small little envelope, a little thank you card, a little cash withdrawal slip. Always so cute and so kind of her to send these extras. I'm gonna put these aside. All right, so my new envelopes. So let's go through them. I've got this one. This one is AshleyMarieBudgets. This one I'm going to stuff in it stuff for my YouTube and Etsy shop. So I'm thinking like if I need a new desk, which I do want to get a new desk here soon, I'm gonna stuff this envelope up. But that way it's separate from my personal sinking funds. And then I did Splice, which is the app that I use to edit all my videos. I want to take this out of my current subscription envelope. That way it's, you know, funded through like my actual YouTube channel and Etsy shop. Canva is what I use to edit pretty much all of my YouTube thumbnails, my Instagram posts, and a lot of my savings trackers is through Canva. And then the fun stuff, I got an envelope for YouTube taxes because, you know, YouTube don't take those taxes out, so I'm gonna have to make sure I'm putting money aside for that. And then same with Etsy. I wanted to keep them separate because, I don't know, I think it'd be cool to like see how much of a difference there is in income, and just so I can keep track of everything, because I'm not 100% at this moment sure, like I'm not sure how all the taxes work when you have these little businesses. And then this one's not actually for the business binder, but I did go ahead and get a cute little one for pet emergency. So I'm gonna put this to the side and I'll put that where it goes later. All right, so let's get this binder all set up. I am so excited. All right, so I am going to put the AshleyMarieBudgets one first. Oh, there is, I have to grab one thing out. Let's see, it is in here. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and move over our YouTube envelope that was in our sinking funds into this binder. And this is pretty much the envelope I'm gonna be using to stuff money for like giveaways and such. So we're gonna stick that in there. Next up, we are going to do, let's see, Splice. And then we're gonna do Canva, because Splice is due first before Canva. And then we'll do YouTube taxes and Etsy taxes. But I've got everything in here. And then this will get filled up with all this stuff. Probably, I will be stuffing this majority of the time when I do my side hustle cash stuffing each month. That first video will be out tomorrow, y'all. I got my first YouTube paycheck, and I will also be stuffing my Etsy paycheck for March. I'm doing monthly deposits for Etsy. I just think that works out better, especially seeing my my shop's still small. It's not bringing in like too crazy amount of money yet, but I'm doing a monthly deposit, so we'll stuff March's deposit for Etsy, and then also my side hustle cleaning of the restaurant will also be in that video. So check that out tomorrow. I am so excited. All right, so there's that. I also want to go ahead and put in here, I made some more trackers for this. So I can keep track of, you know, my subscriptions and how much I have to stuff in there. And Splice right now, I have a yearly subscription, and that is $69.99. So I am gonna put this in here, and that way I can keep track and see my progress. That next one's not due till November 14th. And then I made one for Canva as well. Just something fun. Canva's $120 a year. So I'll be able to keep track of how far I come along in those envelopes. But that's pretty much it today, guys. This was just a fun, quick little video. I was just excited to show you my new binder. And if you come back tomorrow, we will be stuffing this binder for the first time. I'm just so excited, and I am so thankful for all of you. This would not be possible without your love and support. And I am just so thankful for you. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video now, and I'll see you tomorrow with that first side hustle income video. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.